Deep in the heart of the Indian Ocean lies a paradise of turquoise lagoons and coral reefs. Welcome to Feydhoo Finolhu Island in the Kaafu Atoll of the Maldives. Just a short speedboat ride away from the capital, Malé, this slender island stretches across the shimmering waters like a brushstroke of white sand and emerald green. Feydhoo Finolhu is known for its untouched beauty, surrounded by a crystal-clear lagoon that seems to blend seamlessly with the sky. Every corner of the island reflects the Maldives' timeless charm and delicate balance with nature. Unlike the busy capital islands, this peaceful sanctuary offers the rhythm of waves, the whisper of palm trees, and sunsets that paint the horizon in gold. Beneath these calm crystal waters lies a vibrant coral world alive with colorful reef fish, graceful turtles, and rays drifting silently through the gentle ocean currents. Once a quiet presidential retreat, Feydhoo Finolhu Island has transformed into a serene Maldivian getaway. Just minutes from Malé, it blends natural beauty with modern luxury, a perfect example of the Maldives' timeless island charm. From above, the island forms part of a ring of coral atolls, the living jewels of the Indian Ocean, a natural wonder formed over thousands of years. Feydhoo Finolhu Island, a peaceful escape where sky meets sea and time seems to slow with every wave. If this view took your breath away, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking Earth journeys.